What is occupational contact dermatitis? It is a skin disorder or skin inflammation that caused by a working environment or skin contact with certain substances in workplace. How skin problems occur? Skin have multiple layers that act as protective barrier. Some substances can change and remove sebum barrier, causing the skin become unprotected. This will allow chemicals to penetrate deeper into layers and interact with body cells and tissues. Later, the skin will show signs of chapping, scaling, and blistering as it lost its moisture. Types of dermatitis. Irritant dermatitis. It is an inflammation when skin in contact with certain substances in workplace. It will develop after a short time of heavy exposure substances or repeated and prolonged of low exposure substances. Usually occurs on body parts that directly in contact with irritants. The reaction of rash and burns develop a few hours from exposure and become worse after 24 hours. Allergic dermatitis. It is an immunological response to a contact allergen. The body will release inflammatory chemicals that make skin feel itchy and irritated. However, allergen is harmless to people that are not allergic to it. It will take 2 to 3 days after exposure for development of rash and itchy. Symptoms of dermatitis: itching, dry, cracked and scaly skin, redness and swelling, bumps and blister, flake and peel, bleeding, burn and sting. Substances that cause dermatitis: irritants, sensitizer, occupations at risk. Manufacturing, healthcare, metal engineering industry, food industry, hair and beauty, construction, wood industry, printing industry, cleaning industry. Prevention of dermatitis: apply good hand wash, dry and use a hand cream. Ensure good housekeeping. Substitution by less irritant substances or weaker solution. Proper selection of protective clothing. Rotation of tasks to reduce individual exposure. Replace powder latex glove with non-powder varieties. Change glove frequently to reduce sweat. Avoid skin contact with the hazard by using encapsulate machines or automated equipment. Apply closed system work that minimize worker contact with hazardous substances. Local exhaust ventilation for dust emission, fume and spray. Provide safety data sheet.